Error Van57, connection error. Check symptoms, unable to launch Valorant. Van57 error message appears. Failed to connect to Riot servers. Game closes before reaching the main menu. Matchmaking is unavailable. Fix 1, restart Riot client. Steps, close Valorant completely. End all Riot client processes using Task Manager. Launch Riot client again. Open Valorant. Fix 2, restart your computer. Steps, save your work. Restart your PC. Open Riot client. Launch Valorant again. Fix 3, restart the VGC service. Steps, press Windows R, type services.msc and press Enter. Find VGC in the list. Right-click VGC and select Start. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Restart your PC. Fix 4, restart Vanguard. Steps, close Valorant, exit Riot Vanguard from the system tray, restart your computer, open Valorant to restart Vanguard automatically. Fix 5, check your internet connection. Steps, restart your modem or router, use a stable internet connection, disconnect any VPN or proxy, try launching Valorant again. Fix 6, allow Valorant through firewall. Steps, open Windows Security, go to Firewall and Network Protection, allow Valorant, Riot Client, and Riot Vanguard through the firewall, restart the game. Fix 7, update Windows-steps, open Settings, go to Windows Update, install all available updates, restart your computer. Fix 8, run Riot Client as administrator. Steps, close Riot Client, right-click the Riot Client shortcut, select Run as administrator, launch Valorant. Fix 9, reinstall Riot Vanguard. Steps, open Control Panel, uninstall Riot Vanguard, restart your PC, launch Valorant, allow Vanguard to reinstall automatically, restart your PC again. Fix 10, reinstall Valorant. Steps, uninstall Valorant, restart your computer, download the latest version from Riot Games. Install the game, launch Valorant and check if the error is resolved.